Losing that extra kick of power when you step on the gas is a frustrating experience. But code P0241 means your turbocharged or supercharged engine is struggling to breathe properly. This diagnostic trouble code refers to a low circuit condition in the boost sensor B, which is a critical part of how your car manages air pressure. Whether you drive an Audi, a Volkswagen, or a Nissan, the way this works is fairly similar across the board. The powertrain control module monitors boost pressure using a manifold absolute pressure sensor or an MIP sensor. The computer sends a 5-volt reference signal to this sensor, and in return the sensor sends back a specific voltage based on how much pressure is in the intake. When you are heavy on the gas and the turbo is spinning fast, the voltage should be high, but if the computer sees a low voltage signal while it is commanding high boost, it triggers this error code. You will definitely notice the check engine light is on, and you will likely feel a major reduction in engine power and fuel economy. The biggest risk here is that a malfunctioning boost system can actually cause physical damage to your turbocharger or your catalytic converter if the air-to-fuel mix gets too out of whack. Before you assume the sensor is bad, you need to do a thorough visual inspection, because more often than not the problem is actually chafed or burnt wiring near the hot components of the turbocharger. I recommend starting by checking for any technical service bulletins for your specific year and model, as there might be a known factory fix. Use a digital volt ohm meter to check for that 5-volt reference at the connector with the key on and the engine off. If you have power there, but the signal wire stays between 0.2 and 0.5 volts while you apply vacuum with a hand pump, then the sensor itself is likely the culprit. However, if the voltage does move correctly, you might be looking at a mechanical failure in the turbocharger wastegate, or even a rare issue with the powertrain control module. Because boost issues can lead to engine failure, it is best to see a mechanic if you cannot find a clear wiring problem right away. Fixing a wire is cheap, but replacing a whole turbo is a major expense you want to avoid.